welcome back to another episode of Fin and Fowl Films. As you can tell, it's a little icy out here. It is second week of December now, and we're going up to New York, catching the tail end of the muzzleloader season, as well as the beginning of the last split of the duck season. So we're loading the truck down. We got coolers, we got heaters, some duck decoys. Hopefully we're gonna get on some mallards, and hopefully we're gonna get a couple deer with the muzzleloader. But all in all, it's gonna be a good trip, and we'll see you in the morning in New York. Oh wow!
What are those?
Oh boy!
Those redheads.
Goldeneyes. Well, we made it to New York. We got in last night about 1 o'clock, and we just started our morning scout. We're heading along Lake Ontario now. Lots of flocks of buffleheads and goldeneyes. So we found some birds though. We're gonna keep looking. It's early. It's only 8 o'clock. We got a lot of area to scout around. So looky here. Showtime. Well, welcome back to another episode. We are up here in New York on the shores of Lake Ontario. Very fortunate enough to stay in our friend Jake's parents' cabin here. Thank you to Jim and Jackie for letting us use it, but we're hunting on the main lake here. First ever duck hunt on Lake Ontario this morning. We're pretty pumped up. It's been real cold. There's a lot of snow on the ground. And this is about the only open water around. It's on the main lake, so we're gonna head out here and see if we can get on some birds this morning. Excitedly.
Oh, I'm pumped up.
Been seeing some goldeneye, bufflehead, mallards around, but we're gonna see. You ready, Jake?
Oh yeah, got my cookie, got my gun. Just gotta kill some ducks now.
Here we are at the shores of Lake Ontario. We got 2 dozen mallard floaters, 2 dozen diver duck decoys on long lines. We're gonna get those set out. Let's go, boys.
Should we go snag that?
Yeah. Hen bufflehead.
Wow, those are smaller.
This is the smallest duck in North America.
Wow.
It's a bufflehead.
You want me to run out and get him?
Oh, if you wouldn't mind.
Wow. You think I can get him?
Yeah.
How many buffleheads have you shot?
Oh, a handful. They're one of the more common divers. That one was sick, dude. That one came right into the V.
I didn't even see it.
What is it, Luke?
10 buffleheads.
Another buff.
Heck yeah. Good shooting.
Very pretty. Yes, 2 bufflehead down. Right here, right here. Wait for him to get close. You got that, Drake? You got that, Drake? That might be a goldeneye. Hey. Yeah, look, bring some shells, boys. Let's go ahead and go grab that one. Look at him, man. He's sick. Look at how the iridescent green on his head, Jake.
Yeah, oh my God. Beautiful. Oh. Stay up, Nick.
Oh, my knee. Well, there's Jake and Luke in the canoe. They're picking up a dead bird. I think we've got 6 or 7 bufflehead down so far this morning. It's been a great morning. We're just gonna keep banging away, see if we can't get some different species in here. There's a lot of ducks around though. It's been a great morning. It's absolutely beautiful out here. So we're just blessed. This is awesome hunt. Bring her on home, boys. Bring her on home. Boy, the legend lives on from the Chippewa on down to the big lake they call Gitchagumi.
You got him?
Well, not particularly. Banger.
Beauty.
Another stud.
Wow.
8.
8?
Yeah.
10 more.
Oh, got a good head on it. Look how fluffed out
They
it is.
call them butterballs, man.
Oh my God.
You
Let me
can
snag
see
it.
why.
Hold that up in the sun. Here, Nick. I'm gonna do it. Yeah.
Here we go. Drake Buffy. Shoot him, boys. This one looks like a bigger duck. Shoot that one on the left. That's a Drake. There's our goldeneye, boys, I think.
Really? I'm gonna go get him.
Go get them.
What's up? It's Jake. We got Nick and Luke out there right now. They got what could be the first non-bufflehead duck coming in. We think and hope it is a goldeneye. Nick has been thirsting for a goldeneye this entire trip. We'll see what they got. Hopefully they do not come back empty-handed. It went away diving down every 10 feet. See what we got.
Boy, my hands are freezing. We got our first ever goldeneye for the fin and foul crew right here. That's immature. I think immature Drake. Young Drake.
Wow.
Beauty. Jake. Oh yeah.
Where's our other one?
Luke's got them both.
Oh, we got 2.
We got one coming in. Let him get in close. Shoot that, Drake.
Look at the color on that.
What's that, number 9? Or number 9, yeah. Boy, they funnel into that V so well, man.
Yeah, they come and sit right in front.
Goldeneye, shoot him, Luke. Man, we can't kill them goldeneye, man. I think that was a
I
goldeneye.
think it was, dude, that's a big one.
Shoot him. Another Drake. Oh, that's a stud, dude. 10. 10 bufflehead down. Coming in hot, boys.
Stud?
Yeah.
Wow.
Should have 15 now.
Got on the buffies this morning. Did you see that?
Yeah. What? Shoot him!
Down.
Yeah, stand up. Pop him, Jake. Hey, flock a mallard two to the right.
Oh yeah.
Don't move, boys. These are gonna be super difficult to get in here.
One more, boys.
See him, he's coming in. Our last bufflehead right here.
I feel like I'm crazy. You ready, Jake?
Kill him dead, boys.
That's cool hearing them splat in the water.
Oh yeah.
Good limit this morning, boys.
That's a limit.
Good limit this morning.
Well, there's our 3-man limit. Beautiful Lake Ontario. We're gonna get this stuff packed up. Get on out of here. Thoughts, man? First hunt up here in New York. It was a blast. Yeah, we got him good. Hopefully we're gonna get some more golden out of him tomorrow, but
About to restock on ammunition and maybe some decoys. Get them golden eyes in.
yeah, right on.
Be killer.